I visited my grandmother last weekend. She finished her homework an hour ago. They traveled to Italy last summer. He watched a documentary last night. We played basketball after school. I didn't go to the party on Saturday. She didn't like the movie. They didn't finish their project on time. He didn't understand the lesson. We didn't eat at that restaurant. Did you see the new episode? Did she call you yesterday? Episode? Did they arrive on time? Did he finish his homework? Did we meet them at the park?